Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Gemini Assistant on Samsung, updated. Start by checking your device compatibility in Settings and updating the software if prompted. Next, sign in with your Samsung or Google account and enable permissions for microphone, location, and notifications. Follow the in-app prompts to personalize voice, language, and routines. Test basic queries and shortcut commands to confirm the assistant responds as expected before continuing. Begin by opening Settings and locating the Assistant section under Advanced Features or Apps. Tap the Gemini Assistant entry and choose Enable or Set as Default to replace other assistants. Review and accept permission requests for microphone, location, and notifications so voice features work reliably. Choose voice activation or button activation depending on preference, and configure wake word sensitivity if available. Finally, run a short voice test to confirm the assistant wakes, and personalize your Gemini Assistant by choosing a voice, preferred language, and response style in the Settings menu. Connect accounts like calendars, email, and music services to enable contextual replies and quick actions. Set up routines for morning alarms, commute updates, or smart home scenes so a single command triggers multiple tasks. Adjust privacy settings to control data sharing and delete any stored audio if desired. Then test a routine to ensure everything runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.